Hi, I'm Astrid. In this video, I'd like to show you a simple and yet very powerful Jin Shin Jyutsu self-help hold to relieve stomach pain and cramp. But before I show you the hold, please subscribe to my channel, like and comment below, and share this video with someone who you think might need it. Now, in Jin Shin Jyutsu, we work with a system of 26 energy sites, which we call safety energy locks. These safety energy locks are not points. They are spheres of concentrated energy, and in three-dimensional terms, they are about the size of a tennis ball. They are appropriately located on the body and help us on every level, mentally, physically, emotionally, and spiritually. They are our truest friends, as Mary Burmeister, a foremost teacher of Jin Shin Jyutsu, always used to say. They are our truest friends because they can help us to release tension and to get ease back into the body. Not only that, but they also help move the energy. And our energy is connected from head to toes and toes to head. And when there is stagnation, then this is when problems start appearing, because there is tension, there is stress, and the energy is not flowing abundantly and without blockages. So what we aim to do is move the energy. Now, in the case of stomach pains and cramps, what can happen is that the tension has built up in the back, and this is causing distress in the abdomen on the front. So what we want to do is place our hands on a safety energy lock on the back. And the safety energy lock that is going to help us with abdominal distress is safety energy lock 23. Safety energy lock 23 is on the small of the back at the level of the last rib, which you find on the front. So if you take your left hand and place it on the right last rib, then place your right hand on the small of the back at the level where you have your left hand. That is where you'll find safety energy lock 23. So place the right hand on the right 23 on the small of the back, and place the left hand on the left 23 at the small of the back, holding left and right. This also helps really relax the body. It helps calm the mind, and also it helps with brain functions. Not only that, I've also done another video where we use this exercise to help with adrenal function. So safety energy lock 23 is really, really important, and it will help ease stomach pains and also cramps. Just hold here until there is relief, really. So that could take a few seconds or a couple of minutes or maybe a little bit longer. But just feel the tension releasing. Feel it melting away. So I hope this is helpful. You can also do this exercise just when you need a little bit of relaxation and soothing. If you'd like to practice Jin Shin Jyutsu on a regular basis, I offer weekly group practice sessions where we get together from all over the world and we practice different Jin Shin Jyutsu flows. It's a wonderful and powerful experience. So I hope you enjoyed this video. Make sure you look out for the next one. Bye for now.